Hey, it's Joe Lyons from the-Automator, and I wanted to let you know, right now it's a Black Friday sale at Udemy, and so this video in particular is just leading you to we have 4 Udemy courses, right? There's one in hot strings, intro to AutoHotkey, intermediate, and intro to GUIs with AutoHotkey. I highly encourage you, not, hey, I make money, great, whatever, but the Udemy courses, what I love about them is they give you a very structured, start here and work here and work here and work here. No matter what level you're at, right? The hot strings, if you're not using hot strings right now, stop what you're doing and learn them today, whether you take the course or not, right? Start using them. They're the lowest hanging fruit to work smarter, not harder. My hot strings course, Jackie and I's course, it gets into some advanced stuff of understanding, like when you have a really long hot string, like let's say the Declaration of Independence, I think is the example I did in the video. But sometimes if there's special characters and stuff, it's a little difficult, or troubleshooting or doing them in games, right? So that course walks through that. Go to, by the way, the URL above me here, on the-Automator.com/learn. It's a redirect that'll bring you to the website. You can read a bit more. When you click those links there, they'll bring you in, and you'll notice the Udemy sale. I think everything is like $9.99, so it's a great time to buy. The intro to AutoHotkey, we get in some really deep fundamentals of AutoHotkey, walk through what editor you should use and install, what version of AutoHotkey you install, and then walk through a lot of just using functions and other things with AutoHotkey, the things that are built into it that are core that really help you. The intermediate course, we do a little more advanced stuff. I have like over 40 videos on controls alone, working with controls. If you don't know, controls are great ways to automate older programs. So it's a great thing to be able to control, excuse the pun, the GUIs, or to interact with the programs. Older programs use these controls that are AutoHotkey can really adjust, interact with. They can hide them. You can disable or enable or move or resize. It's pretty crazy. I mean, I was blown away when I learned what I could do with controls in AutoHotkey. The last one was our most recent course, Intro to GUIs. That one, I worked with Isaiah or Raptor X, and we created a course creating GUIs with AutoHotkey. And if you don't understand, AutoHotkey is just a wrapper, mainly, especially around the GUIs. It's using Windows built-in GUIs, and they allow you to have some very basic code that allows you to utilize these Windows GUIs that have been trusted, and used by billions of people on the planet. I mean, think about that. There's no other software out there that's been tested more than Windows, right? So you get to leverage the built-in Windows GUIs, and it walks you through how to create very simple ones. So, right now the Black Friday sale is on, and it's the lowest price it's ever going to be. So it's a great time. Take action. Stock up, buy them now. You can absorb them later. I highly recommend, though, just and you could learn a lot of the stuff on your own. So, I mean, I would love you to buy the course because I make some money, but it's more that you start yourself down a path of learning, right? And what I like about the Udemy stuff is it gives you a very structured order of where you should go. Go look at the outline of the plans, right? What the course covers, right? Just to help understand what you'd learn from it. But I hope you take it up and give it a try. Cheers.